Why does your door plate read Hans Albertsen?
I'm Norwegian. I was born here.
You're a Jew.
One escape. Jewish girl.
You mustn't wait, Esther.
Sometimes you have to pretend to survive.
What are you doing out here, boy?
You're here. Just be quiet, then you'll be safe.
Where did you find him?
He found us.
What's your name?
Ula.
You had no one.
There's a lot of work to do, and your phone is very important to us.
Let's see what you're made of. Here, I'll show you.
What? Yeah!
I might have found somebody I can rely on.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
An actress.
You're a girl. It's easier this way. The world thinks I'm a boy.
I saw the Germans' map. Can't be more than 6 hours to the Swedish border.
There's a safe house there.
Do you realize what trouble we could get into?
We caught a smuggler near the border.
You're gonna tell me everything. When I aim at something, I very rarely miss.